Welcome, so that now we can solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So on solving this maths problem, we have now 4 to the power of x is equals to 40. So the first thing that we need to do is to introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 40. When you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So in this case now, the log of 4 to the power of x, we shall now have it as x, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40. So in order for us to remain with the log of, with x, we need to divide both sides by the log of 4, then this other side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now the value for x is equals to the log of 40, then all over the log of 4. So let's now simplify this one within the shortest time possible, so that now the value for x shall be, so log 40 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 4. So assuming that you have the log of m multiplied by p, this one can be written as m, the log of p. Or we can now, some people might take it this way, which is wrong. So this one, it can be written as the log of m plus the log of p. So this one is the correct one. So now we shall now say that the value for x is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 4, then plus the log of 10, all over the log of 4. So let's now divide both sides by log 4. So x is equals to log 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 10, all over the log of 4. So let's now cancel the ones that you can work out by cancelling. So the value for x is equals to log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall now have 1 plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 4. So finally we shall now say that x is equals to 1, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 4. So divide both sides by the log of 4. So x is 1 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 2, all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, then according to the law of logarithm, we can have it as the log of a to the base of b. So that means that this now brings us to our final answer, that is the value for x is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So this one now qualifies to be our most correct maths problem. So let's now confirm this maths problem very fast if it brings the answer by trying the problem that we had. So we had 4 to the power of x is equals to 40. So where it's written to the power of x, we write the answers that we have been given. So we shall now have 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So this one can also be written as 4 to the power of 1, then plus changes to multiplication, 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4, then multiplied by 4 to the log of 2 to the base of 4 is equals to 40. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4, multiplied by the log to the base of 4, cancel this 4. So now we shall have 5 multiplied by the log to the base of 4, cancel this 4, by 2 is equals to 40. So next now we shall now have it as 5 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40, is equals to 40. So it means that we use the correct method in finding the right answer by saying that the correct value for x is equals to, so we had 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.